On today's body cam, we're checking out sassy bartender test cops patience after calling boyfriend and demanding her phone back.
September 15th, 2025, just before 2 a.m. Officers with the Midlothian Police Department stopped a woman after observing multiple traffic violations. As the investigation unfolds, she remains convinced she's done nothing wrong, giving officers plenty of attitude while they work to determine whether she's too intoxicated to drive.
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey, I'm Officer Abdelkader with the Midlothian Police Department. The reason I'm pulling you over is one, you blew the light on Pulaski, okay? And then two, you're all over the roadway.
I already know I blew the light on Pulaski.
Yeah, do you have a driver's license, proof insurance?
I do.
Right. Where are you coming from?
Submarine Port.
Okay, and before that?
I'm coming from Submarine Port.
And before Submarine Port?
I'm coming from my job.
What do you do for work?
I'm a bartender.
Okay. How much did you drink tonight?
Not a lot.
What did you drink?
What did I drink?
Yeah.
A glass of wine.
Just a glass of wine?
Yeah.
Oh man, come on, guys, come on. You do not have to answer them extra questions. You know, you don't have to answer where you coming from, where you're going. Those questions you don't have to answer. They're just building up a story. You have to know that. Everyone says, I know the law. I know the law. I know my rights. I know my rights, right? That's people's favorite words, you know? You're jammed up already. Probable cause, man. Get out the car. We gonna test you. You're swerving all over the place. DUI time, man.
How long ago?
Like 3 to 2 hours ago.
3 to 2 hours ago?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you have insurance for this car?
I do.
Yeah, there's that. All right, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm gonna have you step out the car. I'm gonna just talk to you on the outside of the vehicle, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, no weapons on
Perfect.
you?
No.
Okay, none in the car? Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you stand on that sidewalk right there. Right here. All right, what bar do you work at? The what? Okay, what are your hours there? Today, like what were your hours?
Open and close.
All right, which are, I don't know what time they open or close.
2 to 12.
Okay, and how much did you drink while you were there?
A glass of wine. I'm not drunk.
Okay, because I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage. Your eyes are red. They're also watery. And then judging by your driving habits, I just want to run some tests, make sure you're okay to drive that vehicle.
And judging by your own statements that you've been drinking and that you coming from the bar, you're a bartender. Yeah. Judging by your own statements, I want to run some field sobriety to make sure you okay to drive.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine to drive my vehicle.
Okay, are you willing to do the tests?
No.
Do what test?
Standard field sobriety test?
What I'm doing the sobriety test for?
So I'm just going to investigate, make sure you're not under the influence of alcohol driving.
You're investigating for what reason?
Just to make sure you're not under the influence of alcohol driving this
What
car?
happened if I choose no?
Based on your driving habits, everything that I just mentioned to you, then I'll just place you under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence of alcohol.
You placed me under arrest for what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol?
I'm not under the influence of alcohol.
Okay.
I'm a bartender. I had a glass of wine. I'm fine.
Okay. And if you're fine, then that's great. But I just want to run these tests, make sure you're okay to drive. That's it.
That's fine.
The officer makes it clear that if she wants to leave in her own car, she'll need to pass the field sobriety test first. She reluctantly agrees, but before the testing can even begin, she starts making other arrangements, telling her boyfriend to come to the scene.
Baby, pull up on me. Where you at?
Where you at?
I'm near Camille House, like down the street, closing. I mean, I could do a test. I'm not drunk.
Okay, I'll let you call in a sec. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to just hang up the phone so we can run through these tests. And if you're good, then I'll let you.
Okay. Baby, so I gotta do a sobriety test. I'm near Camille House down the street, like that. Walker's 147. Where you at? Yeah, okay, come my way now. All right, thank you. Bye.
Yeah, bring your ass on down to obstruct this investigation if you want to, man. Bring your ass on down here. We might get a 2-for-1 special.
You can just put the phone in your pocket.
Okay.
Okay. You stand and face me?
Yep.
All right. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I don't.
You do not?
No.
All right. Hey, hubby's on the way. Ready? Yeah, look at the stimulus, right? Just with your eyes. Don't move your head. So look at me. Keep your head straight, and just follow it with your eyes. You don't have to move your head. Just move your eyes. Right, you're moving your head again. Keep your head still. Are you doing all right?
I'm fine.
We'll do that one more time. Just do me a favor. Keep your hands down to your sides, okay?
Okay, do it again.
All right. All right.
The officer moves on to the walk and turn test, carefully explaining each instruction before it begins. And although she ignores one of the most important details of the test, she remains extremely confident in her performance.
So heel touching your toe?
Is this heel touching my toe?
Not yet. You're almost there.
I don't know exactly what heel touching my toe is.
So the heel of your right foot will touch the toes of your left foot like this. All right? Hands on at your side, all right? Stay like that until I tell you otherwise, okay?
This is good.
All right. You understand?
I do. So you want me to take 9 of those?
Do you have any questions?
I'm asking my questions now.
Yes.
Take 9 of those steps like you did?
Yep.
I got it.
All right, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. We're gonna do one more test, all right?
Okay, go ahead.
It's called the one leg stance, all right?
Okay, go ahead.
Place your feet together, arms on at your side. You're gonna count aloud in the following manner: 1, 1001, 1, 1002, until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you need me to, I'm sorry?
Demonstrate.
I'm gonna demonstrate. So like this. All right, ready? 1, 1001, 1, 1002.
All right. Hold on a second. Yo, this chick looked like a knockoff version of, y'all remember I Love New York? What's that joint called? Yeah, I Love New York. Tiffany. She looked like like a knockoff version of I Love New York. Y'all remember that show? Let me see. Y'all gotta remember that show. This joint right here. I can't even pull it up for real, but yeah, she looked like that's all I kept looking at. Like, I'm like, damn, she looked like Tiffany. Like, what? Anyway, let's get back to it, man. Let's get back to it.
What am I doing? I'm sorry.
So arms down at your side.
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna lift either your right or left foot 6 inches off the ground. All right. And you're gonna count aloud in the following mannerism: 1, 1001, 1, 1002, until I tell you to stop.
1, 1001, 1, 1002, 1, 1000.
3.
So I'm just holding my leg up, kind of.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay. You're not gonna look at your foot. You're gonna look straight ahead. All right.
This way.
Yep.
Okay.
You may begin.
1, 1001, 1, 1002, 1, 1003, 1, 1004, 1, 1005, 1, 1006, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay. Are you willing to just provide me a breath sample just so I know where you're at? So see if you're okay to drive the car.
That's fine.
Okay. Can you set up the PBT? Where do you live?
I'm at my sister's house.
Oh, right here in Posen?
Yes.
Okay. Is that where your husband's coming from?
My husband.
Who are you on the phone with?
My boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Okay. Is he also in Posen?
He not.
Okay.
Why?
Because I know he said he was on the way, right?
He is.
Okay.
And what I'm blowing for?
Just so I can see where you're at as far as your...
So I want you to take a deep breath, breathe in deep, and then blow and continue to blow until I tell you to stop, okay?
So do I gotta do this?
You don't have to, but if you want to drive, you'll have to provide so we know you're safe to drive.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, deep breath.
Just breathe in.
Breathe in, and then take a deep breath and blow out until I tell you to stop. Right. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect.
Okay.
The The breath sample provided a result of 0.172. And with those results, there is only one final test left to perform.
Do you have any other tests? Y'all.
Assume the
We're gonna
position.
do one more test. We're gonna look face this way.
Okay.
You're gonna push your arms out like that.
This way?
Nope. To your side. Yep. Right, you can put your hands behind your back.
What I'm being arrested for?
DUI alcohol. We'll go this way.
DUI?
Yeah, we'll go this way.
For what?
So this one's just a preliminary test. As we get to the station, we'll get the evidentiary one out just to make sure. Okay.
What?
We'll explain when we get back.
Can you come this way?
Yeah, could you give me my phone?
I'll grab it right now. Come follow me.
You trying to tow my car? Yeah, my sister can come get my car. I'm not getting my car with you guys.
I need
It's
you to
fully insured. I'll let know. I'm not.
Okay, I need you to sit in my car.
Okay, no, but I'm not getting my car towed or any of that.
As long as you comply, man.
I can't comply. Can I get my phone?
I'll have your property. I'll give it.
The entitlement. I'm not getting my car towed or any of that. That is at the discretion of the police officer. You better play it real cool, man.
To you at the station. I need you to sit down.
That's fine, but my car, can I call my sister?
Okay, in a sec. Just sit down.
Let's do that.
You got her hand out like she
Okay, can I
gonna
get my phone?
All the way in.
All right, with my phone.
Ma'am, your phone stays with me until you get to the station, okay?
For what? What I'm going to the
Because
station
you're under
for?
arrest, all right?
For what?
DUI. So please.
I'm not. Why am I under arrest for DUI?
Please sit in the car.
Okay, I need my phone.
I don't want to put my hands on you.
You don't got to put your hand on me.
So please comply.
You don't have to. Just give me my phone.
You do not get your phone.
Give me my phone.
Please.
Ma'am.
That's not how it works.
Please. Come on.
I'm complying. I'm not making
You're not
a
complying
big.
if you don't sit in the car.
I am. But what are we? What's going on with my car? With my car
Your
getting
car's gonna get towed, all right?
What?
Your car's gonna get towed. So I
My
need you
car
to-
gonna get towed for
yes.
what?
So I need you to sit down.
You acting like an
down for
asshole.
what?
That's all
You're
right.
going to jail
For what?
for DUI.
For DUI for what?
Oh my God. Sit down.
Have a seat, please.
I can have a seat, but I need my phone and let me call.
Damn, I need a drink after this. After this, boy, talking to her. This is why there's a big there's a high how can I word it? Let me see. A lot of people in law enforcement in general, high stressful jobs, they drink a lot, or they have substance abuse issues, things of these natures or whatever, because you gotta dumb yourself down to talk to people like this. This is why, motherfuckers, it drives you to drink, okay? Having this conversation, this tail end of it right here, that would have me, I would be ready to have a drink, boy. Yeah, I'd be like, yo, come on, we going to the bar after, man. A couple of the guys from the, yeah, that's it, man. 'Cause this shit here, man, ain't no way.
My sister.
You're not going to get your phone, ma'am. You're going to jail.
For what?
For DUI.
For DUI for what?
Oh my God. Sit down.
Have a seat, please.
I can have a seat, but I need my phone and let me call my sister.
You're not going to get your phone, ma'am.
I'm not.
I'll give it to you at the station as long as you just listen to me. So please sit down.
I am listening to you.
No, you're not. Put your.
A DUI for what?
Please sit down.
I'm sitting down, but a DUI
No, put
for
your
what?
feet in the car.
My feet is in the car.
Okay.
Don't
All right, we're
touch
past
me.
that, all right?
In the end, she was transported to the Midlothian Police Department, where she later attempted to provide an evidentiary breath sample. However, she failed all 6 attempts by providing insufficient samples. During an inventory search of her vehicle, officers located an open bottle of tequila in the rear passenger floorboard, along with an empty Seagram's escape wine cooler in the front passenger area. She was charged with DUI, improper lane usage, disobeying a traffic control device, and illegal transportation of alcohol. What are your thoughts on this case?
ShyGotEm.